Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's proceed to number 7, shall we? Which states, Andrew is looking to sell his house and is asking $20 per square foot. His house is 2,200 square feet. His agent is going to charge 20% of the selling price. Which equation represents how much money Andrew will make if he sells his house for the asking price? And obviously, we have two variables. The letter Y represents the amount Andrew will make before he pays his agent, and the other variable, which is identified as X, which equals the amount Andrew will make after paying his agent. Now, with that being said, I've rewritten the meaning of Y and X. Y also means Andrew's total selling price for his house, and X equals the total selling price minus 20% of the total selling price. So what we do the first part is it'll be X equals Y minus 0.2Y. So in other words, the total selling price minus 20% of the total selling price is stated here. The total selling price minus 20%. 20% is equal to 0.20. So in other words, you convert the percent to a decimal. Because the imaginary decimal is here, you move it 2 places to the left, and this would be the decimal version of 20%. Just erase this. Okay, so now, with that formula being established, we go to part B. Part B is the Y, which is Andrew's total selling price for this house, is equal to 2,200, and 2,200 represents the square feet times $20 per square foot. So $20 multiply 2,200 square feet is equal to 44,000. That's how much Andrew's total selling price for his house would be. And obviously, going back to the original problem here, so going back to problem A, well, actually, let's make C the continuation of A. So C would be X equals Y minus 0.2Y. X equals Y, which is 44,000, minus 0.2 times Y, which is 44,000. 0.2 times 44,000 is equal to 8,800 or 8,800. And your final answer would be, let me just put the terms. So 44,000, which is the cost for the answer for B, which is Andrew's total selling price for his house. Subtract that times 0.2 times 44,000, meaning 20% of 44,000, which is 8,800. So you subtract those two and you end up with 35,200. Now, of course, I went above and beyond what the question asks, because the question asks you which equation represents how much money Andrew will make if he sells his house for the asking price. Again, the question is, which equation represents how much money Andrew will make if he sells his house for the asking price? Your answer is right here. This is your equation that represents how much money Andrew will make if he sells his house for the asking price. Part C shows you how much he will make if he sells his house for the asking price after his agent gets the cut. But once again, I'm just doing this to be comprehensive, but sticking with the question, it asks which equation represents how much money Andrew will make if he sells the house for the asking price. This is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.